Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 5a, and today I would like to show you how you can manage location of this device. First of all, go into Tab menu. Then look for location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is over here. So when I click, location is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same one again. If you wish to, you can always go into settings instead, scroll down, and click on location section. Lastly, manage location by tapping on this switcher next to use location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!